Here I have SIVER JOY, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to accomplish bypassing the screen lock methods on the following tablet. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and wait until your tablet will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as SIVER logo pops up on the screen, and you need to wait a couple of seconds until the Android system recovery pops up on the screen. Excellent, the Android system recovery pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe data factory reset. Press power key to confirm it, scroll down again to choose yes, delete all user data, and press power button to choose it. Now the device is wiping all personal data, customized settings and installed apps, so basically the tablet is formatting itself, and right now all you have to do is simply press power key to reboot system now. And the tablet is restarting and rebooting. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. You may also observe that there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.